So I'm going to press start on the, I guess it's an activity. Okay, preparation, cleaning. All right. Need to pull up that.
The app?
Yeah. I started messing with it a little bit the other day, but I need to learn more about it. There it goes. Okay. Do you guys have it pulled up, the iLearn quiz?
I do.
Okay, I do too.
Yeah.
All right, so number 3, the total area under a density curve must equal
1.
1. Okay, that's what I thought. Good. I'm not crazy. Okay. 1. Under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis. True or false? Yeah, wouldn't that say? Yeah. Because you can't have. Yeah, it's false. Okay, so a normal density curve is symmetric.
Yes.
True?
I think that's true.
I'm just, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Use the following image to answer questions 6 and 7. Alright, so which of the following elements of a figure represents the z-score in this image?
Let's see.
Yeah. Okay. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the random variable z will be greater than 1? Wouldn't that be B?
I believe so.
Okay. Number 8. According to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
68.
68%?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just couldn't remember that one. Okay. Suppose random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of these values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal, accurate to 3 decimal places, e.g. if the answer is anyway. Okay, yeah. So do you guys know how to use this thing?
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of.
I know. I've been trying to. I was messing with it before when she first sent out that email.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't really get it. So what is it asking again?
So just want the percent?
Yeah, it just wants the percent.
Oh, so you have your z-scores be -1 and 1, and then you click in the middle, and it'll give you the area.
Oh, okay.
So did it 68?
Yes. Wait.
Or do you click the ones on the outside?
Yeah, because you can click the ones on the outside too.
Which would get you 31.
That would give you or after. You just want the between -1 and 1.
So you want the middle.
So
yeah, and so just those, that would be 68.
So it's 68.
Yeah, but I think it's 0.682.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Or would it be
0.3?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so 0.683. All right. Suppose the random variable z has a standard normal distribution. Use the app thing to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -2 and 2? So do we just need to change the numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 95.5?
Is that by, or do we still want the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 0.955?
5?
Yeah.
Rounding?
0.955. Okay. So now it's between 3.
It's just going to be 99 point something.
Yeah, 99.7. Or sorry, so 0.997. 0.997. Okay. Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What did you observe? The values match the 68, 95, 95, 99.7 rule. I think it's that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Number 13. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid... Oh, man, I cannot even read today. Many ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of numbers of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. There's a formula for that. The population mean protein requirement for adults is that. And the population standard deviation is that. Use this information to answers 14 through 17. Okay, so what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60 grams something, something, something? So we just need to plug it into the thing, right?
Yes.
So what 2 numbers are you putting on the side? Are you just putting it back to -1 and 1? Because it's raised. Actually, maybe.
Proportion. So
Looking at the... You guys, mine all froze up, sorry. How are you guys doing this?
do you remember when it talked about z-scores? Turn it into percentages?
Yeah, wasn't it that... Here, I'm looking at it right now. I'm trying to find it. I know what you're talking about, though.
So you like take that, find the z-score, put it into that app thing, and then do some clicking. I don't know how to do it. I was trying to figure that out today.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
then,
that's what I'm trying to do.
And then that's what you get.
Yeah.
Divided by standard deviation. 0.07.
It's 2.4, right? Calculating percentiles using the normal distribution.
I think so.
Yeah, this is where you solve for... Okay, yeah. There it is. I'm reading over the thing again.
Perfect.
Okay, do we find the z-score and then plug it into the app?
I believe so.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
What did you
So
get for
the
the z-score?
z-score is the what like would be the 60 minus the mean,
Over
and
the
then divide by the deviation.
Yeah. So I got negative 0.857.
For the z-score, yeah.
Okay. And so I put that in, and then I think if it wants less than that, we have to highlight. It's either going to be all of the, like the middle and the right side, so that we just have the white is going to be below that. Does that make sense?
I think what has to be highlighted is the stuff below it.
The stuff below it. Okay.
So wouldn't that just be the first column, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought.
So the probability 0.1957 or 0.196.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you guys did is you took, because I'm looking at the formula right now.
Uh-huh.
So for this next one, we want the middle category, but it's still the same z-score, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
It'd be
the same z-score, but you want the middle and the one on the right.
Yeah, because it's more.
Isn't it just more?
Yeah.
So what do we want?
Just the middle?
We'd have to highlight the left and the middle, right? To get the percent of the on the right side.
Yeah.
Why don't you just highlight the middle and the right side?
Yeah, middle and right, because the left is less than.
It's below it, yeah.
Yeah. So the middle and the right.
Are we still working on 13?
14, right?
Yeah, 14 now.
Oh crap. Wait, so what do we get for 13?
0.196.
Alright.
So 14, it's the same z-score, but just highlighting the middle and then the right.
And so why why are we highlighting the middle if we just want what's more? Wouldn't we just want to highlight the right side, or no?
Because you want what's more than 60 grams, and 60 grams is the first line.
Got it. All right.
Yeah.
That was like 80 something. 80.4.
80.4.
Well, 0.804. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm being like the dumb one here, but how did you get the z-score number again? Can you just explain that to me real fast? So you have the 0.60, right? I heard you say that.
So it's the formula is the mean, or so whatever value you're gonna be using. So for 15, it's 0.7.
Yeah. Okay.
Minus,
yeah. So you have the next one, 0.7.
Minus your mean over your standard deviation, and that gives you your z-score.
Where did you find the mean and standard deviation?
In the information on the top.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's right there. I just wasn't looking for that. Okay, that makes sense.
You're good.
Okay. Thank you.
So I got for the standard for the z-score 0.571.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it's less than, so it's just the left side, right?
It'd be the left in the middle, because this time your z-score was positive, so you're going to use the far line.
Oh, you're right, yeah.
Wait, so which ones are we highlighting?
The left and the middle.
And that's because it's positive, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, when you guys, when you entered in the z-score, you just put it in where like the -1 and the 1 it was, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Just making sure I did that right.
So what did y'all get?
At 0.716.
Yeah. Okay. Number 16, find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70. Remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score, you calculate and then subtract a smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive. So you need to highlight.
So you need to find both of those, and then you need to
You mean the z-scores for both of those numbers, and then we plug it in, and then we highlight the left side of both of them and get that number, and then subtract the difference.
Yeah.
So then the difference is the answer.
Yes.
Yeah. So for this one, we could just do what we got for 15 minus what we got for 13. Because we already did it.
Yep.
Oh, you're right. Well, even though for 15 we highlighted the... Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, now I understand. I just got confused because we highlighted 2 sections for one of them.
Oh, yeah.
So it's 15 minus so it's number 15 and number 13, right?
Yeah.
So
Point.
.522.
I just got 0.52.
Yeah, that's all I got, too.
All right.
So 0.52. Okay. I think that's it. Do you want me to submit it?
Sure.
I can do that. 100%.
Very nice.
Good job, team.
Awesome. Okay.
All right, so are you okay to post that link? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Awesome. So we'll see you guys same time on Tuesday?
Yep.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
See you guys.
All right.